Hello guys and welcome to the channel. I am so happy because I am ahead now, and today I'm eating a fabulous lasagna that my mum made for me again. I will make my own, I promise you. I will make my own 100%. I think subscriber chosen, someone does want me to do a lasagna, so I will be making my own for that video. By God, I hope it tastes good. Oh man. But yeah, for today's video I'm having my mum's. I am ahead on my channel. I'm filming this before you've seen the subscriber chosen pizza, before you've seen the carnage of the coxinha slash macaroni cheese and garlic baguette video. Yeah, just a heads up, if you are going to be offended by me putting mayonnaise and ketchup on my lasagna, well, I'll see you in the next video then, because that's what I'm going to do, because it's me who's going to eat it and I want to enjoy, and that's how I enjoy it. So that's how I'm going to eat it. So if you don't like ketchup, mayonnaise, salt and pepper putting on top of a lasagna, then I'll see you in the next video. Oh God. Sometimes when I'm doing the thumbnail, it just feels so cringy, which is why I always cut my thumbnails. Like, the intros, normally when I'm making a video, I won't do like, you know, show you guys, oh I'm just, you know, I normally cut it. Oh God. But yeah, right, let me get my condiments on and we'll get started. It is, I mean it's not, because I filmed it ages ago. For you guys, it is the 2nd of November. Happy November, everybody. I hope you have a great time on fireworks night. You know, last year we couldn't do nothing, so maybe this time you can go to like a fun fair or something, and have a good time. You know, really let your hair down and have a great time. In today's video, just in case you're wondering, this is the 22nd, is it 22nd? Yeah. It is Friday, 2 o'clock in the morning, 2 AM, 22nd of October. So this has been filmed before I've filmed the Halloween special videos you've seen yesterday, the day before and the day before that. I can't believe I've had 5 videos back to back. This has helped, having a video out well in advance, because in that way over the next few days I can tackle these spicy videos. I'm having 2 drinks today because I want to test something. I've got a glass bottle of Coca-Cola, and I know from that you're probably sitting there thinking like, oh, is he gonna test out a can of Coca-Cola and see which one's better? We all know the glass bottle tastes better, hands down. I want to test a glass bottle of Pepsi as well. See which one is better. I'm not sure. This is not hot anymore because I put this garlic baguette in my... I put this garlic baguette in the oven, thinking that the lasagna would be done. It wasn't. I took the lasagna out. The cheese had barely melted. Some of it hadn't even melted at all. So I took the garlic baguette out. I was hungry, so I pinched a bit of it while I was waiting as well. And then I put the lasagna back in the oven because I did did feel it in the middle, and it weren't hot at all, so I had to put the lasagna in again, which is why the garlic baguette is cold. Oh. I love my mum's lasagnas, man. You know, it's so good. You know, I think it's also the fact that this is a piping hot piece of lasagna and garlic bread. Right. I haven't filmed it yet, so I can say this now. I hope to God I ate the whole pizza and ate the whole curry. If I haven't, then I'm going to be very upset with myself. You know, why are you going to put yourself through that if you're not going to finish it all? Right, let's have the Coca-Cola first. Oh, yeah, it's so nice. Drinks are so much nicer in a glass bottle because they don't have that metallic taste to it as well. So yeah, but in all honesty, I won't be getting them again. I got them on a whim from Amazon, and I just can't do it. They cost £1 each, because it's like £24 something for a crate of 24. I can't do it. I can't get them again. This is doing my nutting. It's the one thing I hate about making mukbangs. Is I'm always dropping food on my t-shirt. I washed this t-shirt tonight, or this afternoon. I washed it, dried it, you know, absolutely lovely. I've not even had a few mouthfuls of food yet, and I've already dropped food onto my jumper. Oh. Yeah, I love my mum's lasagna so much because she makes it fresh. Every ingredient is fresh. What happened to my lasagna? There you go. Every ingredient she uses is proper fresh. When I make mine, you will see I will cheat. I will use pasta sauce, chopped tomatoes, tomato puree, beef oxo, the same as I do when I'm making the spaghetti bolognese. And I'll probably get like the jar of white sauce, like Dolmio or whatever, I don't know. Oh, bloody hot. But yeah, my mum don't use Domio or pasta sauce or anything like that. She uses tomato puree, I believe, not tomato paste. But everything else is pure fresh. And I think she put carrots in it today as well, which I don't mind. I like carrots. Yeah, there's a little carrot. Oh man. If I could, I would eat this every day. You know. Oh. Yeah, it is really hot. That is one of the negatives about me, is because I don't really chew my food often. Whenever I put it in my mouth, I just go to swallow, and the tongue is there to let you know if the food is too hot to swallow. That's not all it's there for, but when you're eating, if you put it on your tongue and it's too hot for your tongue, it will be too hot for the back of your throat. I don't give it a chance on my tongue sometimes. I'll just put it in, swallow, and then it will burn going down. And then I'll be eating and I'll be like trying to swallow because I feel like there's a lump in my throat. And it probably is slightly swollen. Because I've burnt the inside of my throat. Oh man. Funny thing is, when my mum gave it to me, it didn't look that much. When I put it on this table here now and sat down to eat it, I'm like, whoa, this is actually quite big. My God. Oh. Let me know in the comment section what your parent, either parent, cooks that you cannot live without. My two are my mum's Sunday roast dinner, banging, proper banging, man. It is so good. And my mum and my mum's lasagna. I can't live without those two, man. Oh my God, they're so nice. You know, without a shadow of a doubt. I take that back, what I said. I take that back regarding the tongue, because that burnt my tongue, but I still swallowed it anyway and it was fine. So I have no idea what I'm talking about, so don't listen to me about anything medical. Oh man, I was just thinking earlier how I miss being young, you know, as a kid. I used to be, when we wasn't in school. We used to go to an outdoor play centre. That was awesome. And then I remember the technology back then. We didn't have internet and stuff, so social media wasn't anything. You know, people wasn't shacked up indoors because they had the internet. They must speak to their friends online. You know, we was always going out. And our entertainment, when we was out, if we wasn't playing, was something called a Tamagotchi. I don't know if any of you have ever had a Tamagotchi. A Tamagotchi is so good. You look at it now and be like, oh my god, people played with this. But this was what technology was back then. You know, we had black and white mobiles. We had a couple games. We had Snake. What other games did we have? I know we had Snake, but I can't remember what else we had as well. Yeah, man. It used to be so much fun. Going and playing Knockdown Ginger. See, the funny thing is, if someone did that to my door, that would annoy the hell out of me. But as a kid, you don't think of that. You know, you don't think of how what you're doing is affecting other people and stuff. You know, we used to go knock on people's doors and run away and hide behind the bush, and yeah, and when you're a kid, when someone gets annoyed, that is the best ever. You know, I can't tell you the amount of times that when someone used to get wound up, we'll wind up, like we'll go back even more. Yeah. Yeah, I think this video has been filmed on the 22nd. Come on, man. Yeah, Christmas is coming up so fast, man. So fast. Oh. I remember. I would love to one day be able to buy my mum a house, man. Oh, that'd be amazing. Do you know how many lasagnas my mum would owe me if I did that? Oh. Funny thing was, I was joking with my mum, and I turned around to her and I said, like, would you have that? Do you want one of these? Talking about a crate of Coke, and she was like, yeah, alright. I was like, okay, let me know when you're home, when you're going to be home, and then I'll get it booked for then. And then I told her I wanted the lasagna in exchange. And she was like, oh, I'll drop the lasagna off to you Friday, sorry. No, Thursday, it was Thursday she dropped it off. Even though it's Friday now, it's Friday early hours in the morning. It's not even daytime yet on Friday. Yeah, so I wasn't expecting to get lasagna so quick. I was actually supposed to film a different video, but I was probably going to film one of the spice videos today, but I was actually going to film another video for the 2nd of November, Tuesday's video. I was actually gonna order McDonald's. I was gonna get a double Big Mac meal and a plant-based burger as well. That was all I was gonna get. I was only gonna get those two, so I can taste test. I know what a Big Mac tastes like. But I didn't want to have an entire video just for a plant-based burger. And I might get those like cheesy nuggets or whatever the hell those things are. Those cheesy nacho bites, or I don't know. Right. Well, another issue has happened now. I don't know how long I can film for, because my battery looks like it's running low. Yay. I messed up the last video with the memory, and now I've messed up this video with the battery. Oh. That's what I'm going to do. Oh. I don't know which one's better, you know. I'll probably say the cola of the two, but they're nice. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop speaking, and I'm just going to keep eating until the video shuts off. That's nice. I'm a little over halfway into it now. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Mm. Mm. Oh. Hmm. Oh my God. I think this is like a 3 kilogram lasagna. I've managed to eat half. I'd definitely say Coca-Cola is better than Pepsi in a glass bottle. Pepsi's not bad though. But yeah, oh, I am stuffed. I want to finish these scraps here though. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Yeah. I took a good chunk out of it. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. I'm going to stop there because if I eat any more I would probably struggle to get to sleep. So like I said, it's 2 o'clock in the morning already. So I want to sleep like a baby. I'm really going to enjoy my sleep tonight. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you did enjoy, and I'll see you on Friday for another subscriber chosen.